All right, so when you're looking at speakers on Amazon, especially, there's so many hundreds of different ones that you can buy. You can buy name brand, or you can buy the other brands that are all over Amazon. But so I'm going to do a test on this AUKTECH. You see it, AUKTECH wireless portable 24-watt Bluetooth speaker. Can it, in my opinion, be as loud as the JBL Flip 5? Well, we're going to find out in a moment. If you're on a budget, you can't afford sometimes $100 to $125 for a Bluetooth speaker. So let's see if AUKTECH actually is as good as my JBL, which is probably 5 times the amount of money. Okay, so this is what it has. It comes with, again, it's a RGB light show, which is really great because the JBL Flip 5 does not come with the RGB light show. We have a wireless dual pairing, meaning that you can pair more than one of these speakers together. We have a voice assistant. My JBL Flip 5 does not have voice assistant, so you can't take calls with it. Already, this is teaming with features. We also have Type-C charging, which a lot of these non-name brand speakers, like the American brands, you know, they come with like micro USB. Well, this is C charging. This is great. Okay, so here we go. Here's the box. It has 24 watts. It's supposed to last for 24 hours on the lowest volume. You're not going to get 24 hours on the highest volume. I'm just warning you. All right, with any speaker, even the name brand. All right, so let's zoom in here on the box. Again, we have 5.0, the latest Bluetooth connection or pairing. And this is actually splash proof. All right, what more could you want? Now, this is the model AK01. Specifications. Now, to most of you, that's not important, but to some of you, it is. Wireless 5.0 version. Wireless range is 30 meters. That's actually really good. Let's try to, zoom in and get this. Okay, there we go. So we have an output of 24 watts, and frequency range is between 115 Hz or 15 kHz. Distortion minus or less than 1%. Driver size is 48 times 2 millimeter. Charging time is more or less than 3 hours. Actually, right around 3 hours. Let's get this open and check it out. All right, so right away, a lot of you really don't care about packaging, but this looks like it's a nice thing actually to give as a gift. All right, so here we go. So we're going to open this, get the speaker out. I'm really excited about this one. And AUKTECH looks like they make great products. But we're going to do some tests. We're going to do sound tests. I suggest you wear high fidelity or hi-fi headphones, really good quality headphones for our sound test. And here we go. So here's the speaker. Comes with the accessories. So let's get that out. And we have an instructions manual. It's actually quite a thick instruction manual. So that means that the company takes care to have you learn how to operate the speaker. All right, so inside, right off the bat, we have an aux cord. That's really good. Some of the companies do not give you a free aux cord. You get a USB 2.0 to USB-C charger. You just need the wall plug. Everyone's got one of those laying around, so you need one with a 2.0 or the larger USB size plug-in. All right, here's our speaker. And it's a can shape, or as they say, like a soda can. And you have 2 passive bass radiators on the side that are flexible, just like my JBL. And here's our modes right here across here. This is where you would plug in to charge it. Let's check that out and see what kind of ports they have. Okay, so you have a C charge port and an aux port right there. You can actually hardwire this to your device, such as an iPad or a tablet or a PC. And let's check this out. This is actually really nice. Has a nice weight to it. Now, it's not too heavy and it's not too light. Let's just zoom back out. There we go. And this actually feels a lot like, now I'm trying to get a good focus here. Sorry about that. This feels a lot like my JBL Flip 5. We have a lanyard right here as well. You can actually clip it to a backpack. And let's check out the size compared to the JBL Flip 5. Okay, so they're roughly around the same height. And if you look, the AUKTECH is actually a little bit wider in diameter across the top, but they're very, very similar in style and shape. Now, the JBL Flip 5 is 20 watts. This is 24 watts. And that's really great. Okay, so we're going to place them side by side. Here we go. And so you can get an idea about, now you can see that the AUKTECH is actually thicker than the JBL Flip 5. All right, we're going to do a bass test. This boasts rich bass. And we're going to see how the bass response and the subwoofer response is. Then we're going to go to regular pop songs. So now you want to get out your hi-fi stereo headphones, if you can. So we also have some questions before we do our sound test. What are the modes here? TWS pairing. We have the power on. We have the advance, or go back in your playlist, or raise volume or lower volume. You have your play button here. Also, you can accept phone calls through this. We're going to turn it on. Now, a lot of questions people have with these speakers. Can they actually still play by being charged? And we're going to test that capability as well. I'm going to turn it on. We're going to go straight to Bluetooth pairing on my computer. Okay, I have it plugged in right now. It's charging. Now, I had an issue getting it attached to my Bluetooth. Now, I turned the on button right beneath the charging button. And when I turned it on, here, when I turned it on, it was blinking. So this little light here was blinking. And what had happened was I hit, add a Bluetooth device. Nothing happened. It would not connect. So to get it to work, what I did was when I turned the first button and it was blinking, then I pressed this Z. I don't know if you can see this, or what appear. Oh, of course we can't focus. There we go. And then I pressed this Z or hourglass button, and it went beep beep. And then boom, then it was recognized. So if you have trouble connecting it by turning it on, which it goes into pairing mode, and it's not pairing, what you're going to do is you're going to press the Z button. You'll hear a beep beep. And with this on, and you press this button, then you'll hear beep beep, boom, and then you're connected. All right, so the first time that I paired it, I don't know if you're going to have that type of situation, but I had to press this. I pressed this first. This was blinking to pair, and then I had to press this, but it doesn't seem to need to do that anymore. Every time I just press the power, it goes on now and pairs with my system. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I'll show you the RGB light show first. Then we're going to do a subwoofer test. Okay, it's connected already. It's at the loudest it is. All right, so here's the RGB light show on both ends. And so all you have to do now, a lot of people said in the reviews that once the light is on, you can't shut it off. That is actually not true. You just press the power button, you short press it, and it'll change. You ready? Oop, we just got a YouTube notification. Sorry about that. Oh, and wait, here we go. Oh, we got another YouTube notification. At least we know this thing is paired. Okay, and you could shut the light off. Somebody said, oh, you can't shut the light off. I always read reviews. And there we go. All right, so now it's on. I'm just going to put the RGB back on. And I like this because it has all different colors. All right, so we're going to do a subwoofer test. Let's make sure, again, it's on the highest volume. We're going to do this on the highest volume. And we're going to test out the bass and subwoofer response. And if you hear ding throughout the demonstration, I apologize. I can't control the YouTube notifications. They keep coming through. All right, next song. Let's go ahead. And it's about to start. bass test. You ready?
In this song, there are 3 kinds of bass. 1, 2, 3. 3. More bass. There are 3 kinds of bass. There are 3 kinds of bass.
As you can see, it handled bass very well. Now we'll do a couple of regular music, try to different genres maybe, and we'll see how well it sounds.
Don't stop, the body rock till your eyesight starts to get hazy. Clean out your ears and you open your eyes. If you want to hear the music, just come alive. If you don't know how, get ready to learn. Cause Cosmo's taking his turn to burn.
Take the seat, and no in the seat, and the animal, and I'm reading the animal. Beat a little what you see. It's Cosmo D, yeah, baby, that's me. I got the beat of that oh so sweet. Without me rocking this thing complete. So rock this yo, rock that yo, rock.
That handled that very well. Okay, here we go for the next song. And we're just going to do a basic acoustic song. And let's go ahead. Unfortunately, we had another YouTube notification. It's not the speaker making those beeping sounds. I apologize. Okay, so we'll go to the next song. Okay, you heard the YouTube notification beep interrupt us 2 more times. I apologize. And I did fast forward through the song. So if you heard a skip, it's not the speaker. Let's go to the next song. And here we go. I will fast forward through the song as well. I just didn't even want to shut the song off. That's how good it sounded on this. All right, one last song and then we're done. Okay, I didn't want that to end either. I really enjoyed this speaker. Not kidding you, this is not a paid review. This is actually my unbiased review. I really, really love the AUKTECH. I think it did a great job. It actually was louder than my JBL Flip 5, as you see here. It sounded really great. It had punchy bass. It really had a punchy bass. I don't know if you noticed it. I hope you were listening with really high quality headphones at full volume, because then you could really get, the sounds. You can hear the sounds better than just listening to it through your computer, tablet, or phone. I'm going to tell you right now, the AUKTECH is great. It's the AK1. I will put a link in the description below. This is actually way cheaper than the JBL Flip 5. Had more... we got another YouTube notification. And you heard that loud and clear, didn't you? And what do I think? I really think this is a 5-star speaker. Way cheaper than the Flip 5. More features. We got the beautiful RGB as well. Long-lasting battery. Yeah, this is a winner. This is definitely a winner. Please buy it. You won't be sorry. Link in the description below.